Today I'm making pistachio cookies with a pistachio mousse. First in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of this pistachio cake mix. Next add 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. Mix that up until a cookie dough forms. Now I have a lined cookie sheet and using an ice cream scoop I'm going to scoop out the cookies and then bake this at 350 for 12 minutes. While the cookies are baking I'm going to make the pistachio mousse, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 packet of this pistachio instant mousse mix. Then following the directions on the back of the mousse mix, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water and mix that up until combined. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream and mix that up until stiff peaks form. Once the cookies are done and cooled, I add them to a tray and I put the mousse in a piping bag. I'm going to pipe a swirl on each cookie. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some chopped up chocolate-covered pistachios. Here's an up-close look at the pistachio cookies.